I was probably 11 years old.
J'avais 11 ans.
And when he came,
Et quand il est venu,
to this day, I can see his face, I can see his robe,
jusqu'à ce jour, je peux voir son visage, sa robe, ses mains, ses cheveux.
He stood at least 6'3", 6'4".
Il mesurait presque 2 mètres de haut.
And an amazing feeling of power overtook me.
Et j'ai senti une puissance en moi.
I froze.
Et ça m'a presque paralysé.
Every part of me just froze.
Je ne pouvais plus bouger.
I couldn't move my eyelids.
Je ne pouvais plus remuer même mes paupières.
I could not move my fingers.
Je ne pouvais pas remuer mes doigts.
I was paralyzed under this awesome power.
J'étais paralysé sous cette grande puissance.
And then when he left,
et quand il est parti,
I awoke. I came out of my vision.
C'est comme si je m'étais réveillé, je suis sorti de la vision.
I was just a little boy.
J'étais un petit garçon.
But I could still feel that incredible power over my
Mais je
body.
pouvais encore sentir cette puissance dans mon corps. Quand le Seigneur m'a appelé au ministère,
I had an experience, Mr. Brock, that to this day it's as though it happened yesterday. I'm on my knees praying.
J'étais à genoux en train de prier.
Suddenly,
tout d'un coup,
I go into a trance.
Je suis rentré comme dans une transe.
As I'm kneeling,
alors que je suis à genoux,
I saw myself.
Je me suis vu moi-même.
In a room, and I saw Jesus.
Et j'ai vu Jésus.
On the other side.
Sur l'autre côté.
And something happened that to this day amazes me.
Et quelque chose est arrivé qui m'étonne jusqu'à ce jour.
This Benny,
ce béni
and this Jesus
et ce Jésus
went into each other.
Ils sont rentrés l'un dans l'autre.
And became one.
Ils sont devenus un.
And
et
Benny
disappeared. Il a disparu.
I believe I've seen the real face of the Son of God.
J'étais à Turin une fois
with Peter Bahu.
Avec Peter Bahu.
And I think Paul Crouch came with us at the time.
Que Paul Crouch était venu aussi.
You were there, yeah, you were with me.
Steve Rock était là.
And the cardinal of Torino had allowed me. They had brought out the shroud.
Et le cardinal de Turin avait apporté, vous savez, le fameux couverture, le vêtement qu'on a dit, qui était sur le linge qui était sur Jésus quand il est mort. Tous les 100 ans, ils le font sortir du coffre. Et ils permettent aux gens de voir ce vêtement qui était sur Jésus avec lequel ils ont enroulé.
And we viewed the shroud at a very close. We were very, very close.
Et j'ai été invité à aller dans cette église où est préservé donc ce vêtement et j'ai pu le voir de très près.
And I had a friend over there.
Et j'avais un ami là-bas.
From Jordan.
Qui vient de Jordan.
And he said, "Would you like to see something amazing?"
Et il a dit, veux-tu voir quelque chose d'étonnant?
I said, yeah.
Je dis oui.
He said, "What you're looking at is a negative."
Et il a dit, ce que tu regardes, c'est un négatif.
I said, "That's a negative."
Ça, c'est un négatif.
And then he took me to an area.
Et il m'a emmené dans un endroit.
And I think you were with me.
Et je crois que vous étiez avec moi.
And Kurt, they showed us the positive, like when you get a picture, you see the negative and then the real face on a photo. He said when we took the negative.
Et il a dit quand on a pris le négatif.
And we developed it.
Et qu'on l'a développé dans une photo.
Here's what we saw.
Voilà ce que nous avons vu.
And I almost froze.
Et je pouvais plus bouger.
I said, "That's the face I saw."
Et je me suis dit mais ça c'est le visage que j'ai vu.
When I was a little boy.
Quand j'étais un petit garçon.
I said, "That's the same face
ça
I saw."
c'est le visage que j'ai vu.
When I was a little boy.
Quand j'étais un petit garçon.
If that is true,
et si c'est vrai,
I believe I've seen the real face of the Son of God.
And that's when he first noticed the prince. He was so excited. The Lord revealed to him that this was an angel that had visited, and the prints that were on the floor, the footprints, were actually the footprints of that angel. They're about 16 to 20 inches long, I believe. And then he had to go away. The cleaning woman came in, cleaned up all the gold, vacuumed up the gold, and so when he came back, the prints were gone. He was so concerned, but the Lord said, I'm going to visit you again. He visited again in that way, and on the carpet were the two footprints of the angel. Once again, this time, he cut out the carpet, cut out the footprints to keep them, and we'll just show that to you on the screen. And it's just covered in this gold dust with diamond dust, silver, emerald, ruby, sapphire, all these different colors. It's just absolutely brilliant.
Hallelujah. This is manna that just fell. We just finished doing communion, and everyone in the place had communion. And Harold, we were just getting ready to close, and the manna came again into Harold's hand. See, Harold's still standing there, angel still standing next to him. If you want to just pan over and show. But the manna just fell again, and so it's on the floor. And